To configure the Therefore connector for Microsoft SharePoint, you first need to create a connection to the SharePoint site. In the Solution Designer, right-click and select New Connection. This is where you can input the SharePoint site details and credentials. Enter the connection name, the site collections URL, and the username and password for the account you're using to access the site. You can also test the connection to SharePoint once you've entered all the details. To define what actions the crawler undertakes, you must set a profile in the Solution Designer under your connection. Here, we have a profile that moves documents from SharePoint to Therefore. Give the profile a name and enable it. Set the crawler direction, in this case send to Therefore. Set the operation mode, which here is move, and the document conversion, which here is kept as the original document. Finally, set the SharePoint site, document library, and the Therefore category. On the next tab, you can set any field mappings. In this case, we've just taken the SharePoint column name, which is the file name, and this will be put into the Therefore index field, text field 1. We haven't set any query statement, so all documents in the SharePoint library will be moved. In this other profile, we have set the crawler to copy documents from Therefore to SharePoint. We've given it a name, enabled the profile, and set the crawler direction to send to SharePoint. The operation mode is copy, and there is no document conversion. Finally, we've set the SharePoint site, the document library, and the Therefore category. In the index data field mapping, we've set a field to map the index data from Therefore into SharePoint. In the document selection and update area, we've set a query statement, so the crawler will query text field 2. If it sees the value approved, it will take the action to copy the document to SharePoint. We've also set an update statement, so that when the copying has taken place, the crawler updates text field 2 and changes the value to approved copied. This ensures that the crawler doesn't repeatedly attempt to copy the same documents.